Hello, kindergartners. We're on Chapter 5, Lesson 5. What we're doing today is some more addition, and we're writing addition sentences or equations for how to make 10. So our first one, and I wanted to put, I have a purpley red here. So I have a red and a blue. I wanted to mark under it so you can kind of see it a little easier. So what does this 9 mean? Yes, we have 9 red ones. That's why that 9 is there. So let's trace the 9. So we have 9 red ones. Oh, that'll break if I have it too big. Make sure you have a pencil in case you need to erase. First a loop and then a line. That makes the number 9. Plus, how many blue ones? 1. Equals how many in all? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So go ahead and read your math sentence to someone. Point as you read. 9 plus 1 equals 10. If you have a crayon on this side of your paper, color it red on both of them where that number is. So you know that's your red side, okay? And then take your blue crayon and the part that's blank where there is no number written, we're going to put blue under it. So we know that's going to be our blue side. And we're making 10 on every single one. These are just different ways to make 10. If you watch the fun video, Professor Berger talked about different ways to make 10. So here we started with how many reds? 8. It tells us right here we have 8 reds. So we're going to trace our 8. First make your S and do not wait. Climb back up to number 8. Plus, how many blues do we need to make 10? Well, if we have 8, we can count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 2 more blues. So we have 8 reds, and then we're going to count up and say, let me go to this side so you can see better. 8, 9, 10. So we're going to write a 2 right here. And now we can read it. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So here we also have a missing number, also called an unknown, right? This is what you'll learn in algebra. We have unknowns. We don't know what they are, but we need to figure it out. How many reds do we start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Straight across and down from heaven. That makes the number 7. But we want to make 10, so we're going to count up. So we have 7. We know that last red one was 7. What comes after 7? 8. And then what? 9. And then after 9, 10. So now we have 10 cubes all together. We know we have 7 reds. How many were blue? 1, 2, 3. That's right, 3 around a tree and around a tree. So now let's read our math sentence. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Very good. Let's do our next one. How many reds do we start with? That's right, 6. Down and a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, they modeled 6 for us. So we have 6 red ones plus how many blue ones to make 10 altogether? Well, we know that's 6. So what comes after 6? 7. And then after 7, 8. And after 8, 9. And after 9, 10. Yes, very good. So we have 6 red ones and how many blue ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue ones. And how many do we have in all? 10. So let's read our math sentence together. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Yay! Next side. This time they don't give them to us. We have to make them. But what do we know we're making? Yes, we're making 10. Every single time we're making 10. And they give us the red ones. How many red ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're going to build our cube train with blue ones until we get to 10. So we have 5. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it doesn't have to be blue. You might have green ones or orange ones. It's just as long as it's different than red, because we have 5 red ones plus how many blue ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Across, down, and around. That's 5 that I found. And what is 5 plus 5? What does that equal? Yeah, 10 in all. 5 plus 5 is the same as 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 all together. Well done. Let's go to our next one. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 red ones. Plus, how many blue ones to equal 10? So that time we built it with the train. This time we're going to draw it. So I want to show you different ways you can do it. So we have 4 already, but we need to make 10. So after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, let's count up. 5. After 5, 6. 7. After 7, 8. Do I have 10 yet? Gotta keep going. 9, 10. Let's count to make sure we have 10 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have 10 in all. So I'm just going to put a little blue in here. So we know these ones are not red, they're different. So we have 4 reds plus how many blue ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blue ones. So let's write a 6. And now let's read your math sentence. Point as you read. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Yes. Last one. I want to see if you can do this one all by yourself, or not all by yourself. You can do it with your parents. But I'm going to see if you can figure this one out, okay? Take a picture of this page and send it to me so I can see if you did it. Awesome. Here we go. This one reads, Troy has 2 ducks. How many more ducks does he need to have 10 in all? Draw to solve the problem. Okay, so we're going to make a model. We always want to make a model, make a model. So it tells us Troy has 2 ducks. So I'm going to use my counters to make my 2. So there, 2 ducks. But how many ducks do we need altogether? 10. So I'm just going to draw circles so I know the difference between the 2 over here and the ones that I make. And we're making 10 altogether, remember? So we have 2. Let's count up to make 10. It's just like we were putting them in our 10 frame. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count to make sure we have 10 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have 10 altogether. We have 2 ducks, but how many more ducks did I have to make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I had to make 8 ducks. Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to number 8. So that's how we do that. You don't have to draw ducks. You can just draw circles to make your ducks. Down here it reads, draw to find the number that makes 10. Okay, so we're going to draw again. We're making what? 10. So if I have one red circle, then I need to make more circles so that how many do I need? 10. So let's count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, including my 1, I should have 10 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I had 10 altogether. I have one red one. How many did I have to make? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had to make 9. First a loop and then a line. That makes the number 9. All right, boys and girls, you can do this one by yourself. And this page by yourself on the bottom, it reads, how many cubes are there? Write the number. Model a cube train that has the same number. So you're making one that's the same. Here, which number is less? Less means menos. Circle the number that is less. All right, send me pictures or videos. Love it when you send me videos of you counting. It's so much fun for me. All right, goodbye, kindergartners. Have fun with math.